What's up guys, how are you all? I'm Jaisuya and I'll be your Python instructor for this course. So yesterday we had our collaboration session and I'm so overwhelmed by the response from you guys. And actually when we are doing our presentation, they were wanting access to join the meeting. But since we are running the presentation, we are unable to see who all are were requesting from the background. So I'm very sorry for you guys, but I have uploaded the video like the session we had yesterday into my YouTube account, so you can just have a go and look what we have discussed and what all we'll be doing throughout the course. So today's main topic would be on people have approached me and they have asked me, do we need any high-end configurations or some high-end specifications to build and deploy machine learning models. So guys, I would like you to know that even though it is good for you to know that machine learning requires very high GPU and CPU requirements, but since we are doing a beginner Python, so what we'll be doing is I expect you guys to have a stable internet connection at home. So that is the only most thing required as of now. So once you have a connection, like if you are before your laptops or in front of your desktops, I want you guys to have a knowledge about the environment where we will be writing our code. So I expect you guys to open Google Chrome, and once you have Google Chrome open, you search for Google Colab in your search bar. So in Google Colab, and once you are done, so looking for new notebook, so it is fine, and these are all some things which I have worked previously on. So let's cancel that for the moment. So it would be explaining what is collaboratory. So whatever code you will be writing and whatever computations we all do for building a machine learning model, so instead of running it on your local machine, everything will be running on the Google Cloud servers. In that way, there is no need for you to worry about the specifications and the configurations of your PC. You just need to open Google Chrome, you just need to open Google Colab, and whatever ideology you are having and whatever model you are trying to build, you could just do it in here. So let's actually try to print some names. Student names present in my bootcamp are, let's write Karthik, Geetika, Surya, or Abdul, Hina. And once you have written the code, you really need not put semicolon. See, likewise in C or C++, you should be worrying about the syntax and everything. You should be putting the brackets, the curly brackets, the semicolons where it is required. But in Python, it is completely user friendly. So for now, I will not be putting any semicolon. There is no problem if you either put or not. So I would not be putting any semicolon, and I will try to print it. So we'll be calling this black box as a cell. So irrespective of the number of cells above and below it, like I have a cell below it. So what code I'll write in this cell, only that thing is getting computed. So let's write print a. So I have written this thing. Okay. So if I click only on this part, only this cell computes, this cell will not compute. So if I click on this and if I press a run button, so only this will compute. So it is all individual cells, so each cell is not dependent on the other. So that's the thing, you can either press the play button, or these are all the few things I would like to say. It is completely user friendly, and once you have written all the code, so you could just open the file, you can save it into your drive, you can save a copy of what you have written, the code you have written into GitHub, or you can download it in .py, which is a Python format. All the Python files will be saved in .py format, and .ipynb. So this is IPython notebook format. This is how it goes, guys. There is nothing to worry about. We'll be having a lots of fun together. So this is what I wanted to say. So be sure to know about Google Colab. We would be working on Google Colab for most of the time. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day.